What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So there's no way for you guys to keep talking to these fake King Hussle pages. You guys gotta be more aware, you gotta be more smart, alright? If any King Hussle page writes you saying, yo, what's up, trying to get you spending some money with them, that's not me. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for. Also, before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get into this video. So today, this video, I'm going to be giving y'all some credit gems, some credit sauce on how to get, basically, I'm going to show you how to build you a $100,000 credit profile. I'm going to show you how to put $100,000 on your credit report so you can start getting these high limit loans. And some people might even try to use them on CPNs and all that like that. So first, I'm going to show you, give y'all some credit dispute letters because, like I said, there's 3 ways to dispute any collections off of your account. It's by disputing online, calling, and by mailing it. And the fastest ways and the most effective ways are by mailing the letter in. And I have up to 4 letters that you could be using to mail into these credit bureaus to get those collections off of your credit report. So once you get those off of your credit report, then you can go add them credit limits, them credit accounts to you, trade lines to your credit profile and get up to $100,000. So then when you go apply for those loans that you guys so desperately need, you will have a better credit score and you'll have better debt on your credit profile, credit report, so you can get approved for the things you need. All right, so today we're going to be talking about credit letters and how to build up to $100,000 on your credit report and how to get up to 200 points added onto your credit report, 150 to 200 points to your credit report within a month, and you can start doing what you need to do. All right, so the first thing you need to do, all right, is you need to update your credit profile. You need to update your credit report. So all the information from your name to your address to your number to your email, all those things you need to update and delete the old information, right? So once you update and delete all the old information, you're going to look at the collections. And once you look at the collections, you're going to get your letters and you're going to fill out the letters and you're going to mail in those letters. And if you don't know what letters you need, I'm going to show you. Let's take a look. So the first credit dispute letter template for disputing credit report errors. This is the first letter. So the following is a sample of the credit dispute letter. You can use dispute errors, things like that. So sample letter. So you put your name, you put your, and this is a template. So you can just fill in the blanks. So you can just, you know what I'm saying? Your name, your address, your city, state, and zip code, date. Then you put the compliant department. So it could be Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Company's name, street address, city, state, and zip code. So, dear sir, madam, I am writing this dispute to follow on my items on my credit report. I have circled the items dispute on an attached copy of my report. These items, identified items. So you just fill in the blank. So this or these, you tell them what it is. Identify items disputed by name of the source, such as creditors or tax court, or identify type of items such as credit account. You just fill in the blanks. I'm requesting that the items showed above or requesting another specific change to correct the information. Enclose the copies, you just fill in the blanks, your name. So anywhere you see this, you just fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. And then over here you got Equifax, reporting agency, you got that information right there. But then if they take too long, you're going to go to this letter. All right, so this is the second letter if they take too long. So your name, address, city, state, zip, social security number, date of birth, all that good stuff like that, right? Equifax. So boom. Please be advised that this is my second written request asking for you to remove unverified accounts listed below that remain on my credit report in violation of the 15 USC 1681. So this is where it starts getting needy and greedy. So then you put the accounts down there. For example, these are all examples. Unverified account number, name of the account, handwrite this information with blue pen, ink pen. Note if they have already removed some of these items that they have listed on your report, your first letter, then remove them from your list on this letter, right? So anything they removed from the first letter, don't put it on this letter. Only the things that they did remove. So you want to write this out in blue pen. Write it out like it says. Handwrite this information with blue ink pen. All right. So then on this side, you write all this, and then you put a copy of your SSN card and a copy of your ID. Boom. So then if they take too long with that one, you're going to go to the third one. Like, please be advised that this is the third written request and final right warning that I finally intend to pursue litigation in accordance with the FCRA and enforce my rights to seek relief and recover all monetary damages that I may be entitled to under the, so then you can sue them and get some money. So these are the letters that you need. Like, despite my previous 2 written requests, the unverified items listed below still remain on my credit report in violation of the federal law. You stated that the responses to my 2 dispute letters that you have verified that the items listed below are accurate, but you failed to send me copies of the documents that you have used to verify these accounts as per my request. The fact that you have ignored my request, send me copies to the documents that you used to verify the disputed accounts is evidence that you cannot and did not verify any of the disputed accounts like you said you did. For failure to delete the disputed accounts that you cannot verify after 2 written requests is also evidence that you are willfully discarded the federal law. When we get the litigation and through the discovery process, so you can start suing and getting some money. So y'all got to know y'all laws. Y'all got to know these type of things, man. Y'all got to know that. So boom. This is another example. So via certified mail, return receipt requested. So Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, correction of inaccurate information on the credit report. To whom this may concern, please be aware that I dispute the following information contained on my credit line. So you just put the credit information right there. Boom, you put the information right there, and you just take it to action. So once you got all of that disputed, then you want to go here. Credit strong. And this is how you're going to start adding the good debt to your credit report. So you got $25,000 here. You got $10,000 here, so that's $35,000. You got $5,000 here. That's $40,000. Right? So boom. Once you got that, then you're going to go over here. And you'll be like, all right, and this is trade line supply. You'll go over here and you're going to say, okay, I just added $40,000 to my credit limit, right? So let me go add another $20,000, $40,000. So I'm going to add another $40,000 to my account. Boom. Now I got $80,000 being reported. So if you want to even go even farther than that, you might want to get that one and say, I'm going to get 2 of these, right? So I got 40,000, 60,000, 81,000. And this is a Barclays for 21,000. And this only $337.50. Boom. So now I got almost $100,000 in good debt being reported on my credit profile. So now I can go apply for these loans if I got my business together. Like I said, make sure I got a bank account, checking and savings. Make sure I got all those other credit reporting accounts. Make sure I got everything in order so I can, now I'll be in a good position to get approved. All right, so y'all see these credit limits. Y'all see these credit accounts, high limits too. Good high limit credit limits and accounts. Tap in, man. So let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. I just literally showed you guys what you need to put, how to, like all the words that you need to put on your letter for the credit dispute letters, how to update your information on your credit report. Once you update your information, you see all the collections on your credit report. You gonna go freeze all your credit all three of your FICOs, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Then you gonna write out the letters. Then you gonna mail the letters in. Then you gonna wait for their response. And if they don't do it the first time or the second time, you got the letters on what to say, so you can get that taken care of and maybe sue and get you some money. Boom. Once you got all that taken care of, then you going to go to Credit Strong and add them trade lines. Then you going to go to Incredible Self, Ava, add your credit rent boost. You're going to add creditrentboost.com. You go to the add the last place you rented at and the current place that you rented at to your credit profile. Ava will allow you to add Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, all those streaming services to your credit profile. Anything that you're paying a bill on, you can add it to your credit profile. Once you do that, once you got your bank accounts, once you got your bank account saving and checking account, once you got money coming in on a regular basis, like you're getting paid, if you don't have a job and getting direct deposited, you got your bank statements and that, then go apply for them bad credit loans. You'd be surprised. You never know. Your credit, because once you're using them credit hacks, paying them these trade lines will boost your credit. And that's why I tell y'all, let it marinate for a second so you can get some points, get some stuff generating, get some motion on that credit report, so then you have a better chance. Don't just try to do it all in 3 days, 2 days, a week. No. Take your time. Slow and steady always wins the race. And I'm dropping this sauce. I'm giving y'all the steps on how to do it the correct way so y'all can have the most best opportunity to get approved for these lines of credit, credit cards, and loans. Because then I'm going to show you how to start using this information to put it towards your business credit and get the money faster and easier. Hey, man, I'm here to drop sauce. I'm here to educate. I'm here to bless y'all with all this information that no one ever told y'all. Y'all didn't learn this in school. Your parents didn't tell y'all, which is cool. I'm going to be the person to tell y'all. I'm going to be the person that really break it down to y'all. And I'm going to be the person to teach y'all. So make sure y'all tap it in, man. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers on the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. And y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce. All right, so shout out to y'all. Listen, anybody out there looking to get lessons, all FaceTime one-on-ones, basic lessons, $500, advanced lessons is $1,000, and unlimited gems is $2,000. All right, all FaceTime one-on-ones. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 if you come to me, $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit to book the date down. Once we book the date, I'm going to come to you, you're going to come to me, and we're going to get to work. The rest of the payment will be due before we start the lessons. Also, if you're trying to get mentored, you want me to mentor you, help you make your channels, help you make your pages, help you do this and help you do that and give you the sauce, it will be $3,000, all right? Also, anybody out there looking to join the production company, listen, if you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200 into you? $200,000 into your music career. Music reviews are $200. Don't come in my inbox saying, yo, I'm trying to sign and being happy, joy. But when I tell you it costs, then it's a whole different ball game. Then you my enemy. I'm in a position that I am really taking care of business for this production company and really ready to deal and work with really motivated, serious people. I am not going to be working with people who are a joke, people who are not serious and motivated and have a passion for this type of thing, because this is my passion. This production company, I wrote my first script when I was in 4th grade. So please, this is serious business. I don't know y'all and y'all don't know me. Please come correct when you come in my DMs. I am not giving no handouts. Stop yoing me when you write me in my IG. I am not going to respond. If you come to get lessons, please know what you want and please be payment ready, because I tell you guys all the prices and what you will get. And I post it on all my stories, all my communities, everywhere, so everybody already know what's going on. All right, so make it make sense. If you want to do business, you're really serious about your business, please, when you DM me on IG or anywhere, please have your payment ready, know what you want, and we're going to get the business and we're going to have a great time, all right? So, also, if you looking to make $3,000 a day, you looking to make, oh yeah, so anybody on the production company, I'm looking for rappers, actors, models, content creators, cameraman, producers, all right? Like I said, music reviews, $200. Models out there, you ready to start making money, you ready to be in a position to win, you got a good head on your shoulders, you can be corrected and directed, tap in with me because I'm going to put you in all the right positions to win. Cameraman, you got a good camera, Don't write me in my DM saying you're a cameraman, you do this and this, and you have no content. If you have nothing to show for what you're saying you know how to do, please do not waste your time or mine. This is serious business. If you a model, have a portfolio together. If you a cameraman, show me some videos that you directed and edited. If you a musician, have your $200 ready so I can review your music. We can chop it up. Be about business, all right? Anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month or more, I'm gonna show you. And it's not. If anybody was out there making $10,000, $15,000 a month, all passive income, that'd be good too. And it just builds and builds and builds and builds, all right? So if you're trying to make that a day, a month, tap in with me. It's called YouTube automation. All those channels you see, the rain channels, the top 10 channels, them UFO channels, those basketball channels that be getting millions of views. I'm gonna show you how to create that. $500, I'm gonna show you how to create it. $1,000, I'm gonna create the channel for you. I'm gonna drop 5 videos on the channel for you, and hey, I'm gonna helping you create the channel. We're gonna split the proceeds down the middle, right? Because at the end of the day, if you ain't got no help, if I wouldn't help you doing it, that ad revenue wouldn't even be there because I know something. I know the sauce. I know the science of this. All right, so I'm just trying to put people in a position to win, make some money with some people, and help people elevate. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all getting booked for the mentorship and lessons. Make sure y'all tapping in for the production company. Make sure you tapping in for the YouTube automation. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, all the YouTube channels. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. And we're going to continue to elevate and grow together, all right? All positivity, no negativity. And we're going to win. Let's get it. See you next video. Peace.